Welcome. This is Norman's Nursery edition of cooking and making drinks just like you can in your own backyard. Today we're going to be doing a salad. We're going to have some guacamole. We're going to make a spritz cocktail with some peach, and then we're going to do a nice little plum variation of a margarita. Stay tuned. You're not going to want to miss this. Well, today we're going to be doing a nice summer cocktail. We're going to do a peach Aperol spritz. We've got our nice white lady peach right here. What we're going to do is we're going to throw in some slices as such. We're doing Prosecco today. I like Prosecco. It's nice. It's got a nice little kind of sweet kind of flavor to it. And yet, of course, you get that little pop. Oh, here we go. So what we're going to do first, after we wipe our hands, we get our nice Aperol. You're going to do about 1.5 ounces. I've been doing this for a little bit, so you have to just trust me on that one. And then we're going to add our Prosecco. Voila. Let's give it a nice little stirry stir. And then we'll just top it off with a couple of little nice peaches. It's summer. Enjoy.